So it's free time right now, so we're probably gonna go to the barn. But first, bathroom break. Wow, what a challenge. No, you forgot something. Forgot the bandana, oops. We're gonna go barning. There's also this little patch of bushes and flowers, which is cool. That's the machine shed. That's the barn. Hi, Basil. There's a baby goat right here. Did the goat get out? No.
Watch out for this one, guys.
Yep. Hello, goat. Oh, are you gonna stand up there? That's nice. And it's gonna skip again. Look at that. Hello, goat.
It's literally right
Hi,
there.
lady.
You should
Please grab you with this. Wow. Oh, look, it's another.
I've literally been
Hi. Hi. There's some sheep in here. Baby cow. What's that cow doing? Hi, cow. Can I pet you? Take visitation time. Hello, you're not a pig. I like spotted some baby goats. I'll take. Bye, Are those clovers? Cute. Hey, don't come in. Hoo-ah. Hello. Don't go out. Don't go out. Oh, they're already eating my sweets. Great. Also, there's a giant step here. Oh. Okay, yeah, let's go out. This is dangerous. I'm sitting on this gate and then we're looking. Hello. You're very big. Hello. Want my shoes? They're too high over. I don't like going. Gonna feed goats. Goat feeding. Hello. Oh, okay.
guys eat it.
Alright, let's see if they'll eat them. I bet they will. Look at that. Sniffing it.
They sniff a lot and then they
Oh wow, I can see that tongue moving.
eat.
Ah! Just
They
rip them
like
out of my
it.
hands. Ah! Do you like it?
Hey, pig, pig.
You want some? You want some food? Here, drop it. They're all eating it. Hello, goats. Do you want some? Do you want some? Are you trying to eat my hand? Why are you? You're eating my finger.
Go,
Hello.
go in quickly. Okay.
Hello. Do you want this? Do you want? You're
They
literally.
really like the flowers.
Oh.
Once they won't eat anymore. Except for that one.
There's some barn swallows right there. Hello. Oh, are they fighting? Basil the bunny. For the squash. We're gonna
Whoa.
try to feed a flower.
I pulled the whole off.
See if they'll eat my flower. Will you eat my flower? Do you want flower goat? Are you a flower goat? Why?
He's really hungry.
Okay, it's not even eating the flower. Well, look at that. Look at that. That was a really bad camera angle.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
That one. Oh, you're. Hey, you can. That one is a grinding.
I know, this one is devouring it.
Hey, and you go. Wait, he was.
Alright, I've headed out of the barn. I'm in the garden now. I'm probably gonna go to the front lawn. Ooh, I see them in a circle. What are we doing? It might be down by the banks.
Ow!
We're doing down by the banks. I died, very sad. Alright, looks like camp is coming to an end. Doing closing circle and then ice cream. I'm apparently now Bob 1, and today I liked holding Basil the bunny and playing with glass at Magic Spot. Alright, we're finished with camp and now I think we're gonna go to an ice cream place. Let's go ice creaming. This is Italian ice, not ice cream, just to be specific. Cotton candy. Cotton candy ice cream is amazing.